Hi, I'm Thomas Kostigen, author of the Extreme Weather Survival Guide by National Geographic. I'm here on the set of Home and Family, and there were some questions we didn't get to in my segment, so I wanted to be able to pick up on some of those and answer the ones that I could. So, Steve Lafferty, he asks, what containers are best for storing water without spending exorbitant money, even though he uses dollar signs? We've tried using milk bottles, but they degrade and eventually leak. Great question, because different types of plastic can be toxic. So make sure that you get water-specific types of containers, rain barrels, or store those big, giant arrowhead-style containers that you see in the grocery store. Keep a bunch of those, a gallon per person per day per household. Remember that. Becky Armstrong asks, a few years ago, the power was out for 14 days. Snow in the 20s, our house never got warmer than 32 degrees. No gas was available for generators. Our only heat was a double-sided fireplace, which didn't put out much heat well because the winds were always strong. What do you recommend to keep warm, safe, and fed during a major winter disaster? Well, we talked about some of the emergency supplies and the dry food that lasts for about 7 years on the segment. What we didn't talk so much about was the emergency blankets. They keep out wind, they keep out rain, and they keep 90% of your body heat stored in your body, or around you. So blankets, we talked about layering, make sure that you have enough winter clothes around. Those will keep you warm no matter what your situation and whether you have a portable heater or not. Of course, portable heaters are great if you have a power source for them, or some of them now have rechargeable batteries. Buffy Weldon Merriman asks, I've heard that portable propane heaters, go figure, here's a question about that, are a good idea to keep on hand. Is this a good idea? And if so, is there a specific type you recommend? Well, I don't want to recommend any specific types of propane heaters, but if you do use propane, I recommend, again, electric or that can be put up to a power generator, or those that have rechargeable batteries. Those you can stay safe with. Propane, remember, you got to worry about any type of fumes, so make sure there's enough ventilation, but not a bad option to keep on hand. Thanks so much. Again, Thomas Kostigen, National Geographic Extreme Weather Survival Guide, here on the set of Home and Family.